My name is Petsai Rusero. I'm the administrator for Manicaland Agricultural and Show Society. We are happy this year because we are expecting to have a bigger event than last year. Why we are saying that is because we have registered 28 new exhibitors against 14, which means we have a 50% increase in our exhibitors. And Trukufara, Notima exhibitors edu as well. As at yesterday, Tatapa 130, of which last year Tangoskapa 143. And we know our target of 150, we are going to reach it. And we encourage our exhibitors, our friends, to come and experience what we have this year. We've introduced the new high school quiz and B-spelling quiz. So we expect all schools, the high schools, we've had about 10 schools were interested in joining the quiz. And also, chimwe chiri kutifadza ndechekuti my exhibits ataona so far, they are of high standards, which means we are reaching the international standard, the level of exhibits internationally. And also, trukuti my exhibitors edu, amadzi edu, our friends, tine ma lined up activities aripo. Mangwana pane zvinenge zvichiitwa, tine police display, and also on Saturday tine ma fireworks, tine zvakawanda zvine zvichiitwa. Also tina Master H ari kudiwa nevechidiki vemazuva ano, tina Oriano ari kudiwa zvekare nevechidiki vemazuva ano, naNisha Teas vese vachange vachiperform. Saka tiri kuti our show is getting bigger and better by the year.